Welcome back to Celebrity Radio, talking to an old friend and one of my favourite people, Deborah Meaden. How are you?
I'm really good, but less of the old, if you don't mind.
I mean, you're in your mid-30s now, and I'm 27. It's going well. How are you? How's business?
Really good. I'm really well, and business is really good. Slightly challenging times at the moment, but, you know, who doesn't enjoy a challenge?
We were speaking only a year ago at the Cat of the Year Awards 2018, and we talked then about Brexit. We'll get to that in a minute and see whether this is helping you or hindering you. But first, let's talk about another year of cats. It's amazing, isn't it? People seem to never get bored of this.
No, and so they shouldn't. You know, sometimes I feel like, you know, cats can sometimes be a sort of a forgotten creature because, you know, they don't wag their tail, they don't make lots of noise, you can't take to the park for walks. But, you know, my cats communicate to me all the time. So I think, you know, a day of the year where we can all celebrate those amazing little beings that are cats, I think is really, really important.
I'm too busy travelling up and down the country and I can't have an animal because I think if you're not dedicated to it, you shouldn't have one. So I borrow one. Last weekend I had one. And you know what? As bad as the world may seem, at the worst times, these animals can just cheer you up and make everything go away. They're incredible therapy, aren't they?
They are. And I had a really interesting chat. I don't know if you've heard of Monty Roberts, the horse whisperer. And he said, actually, I'm not really a horse whisperer. I'm a horse listener. And that's because horses look like they're not talking. And, of course, they're talking all the time. And I feel like that sometimes about cats. You know, they're not quite so alert as dogs. But my cats, they read me so well. They completely understand the mood that I'm in. You know, they make me laugh. They annoy me. You know, they sometimes, you know, I'll be working and they absolutely going to sit on my keyboard because I'm not paying them enough attention, you know.
Yeah.
So no, I think they're wonderful little beings.
Yeah, it's joyous, isn't it? Congratulations on 2019 Dragon's Den. You're back again with a new cast. You excited?
I am. Actually, you know, it's always sad when dragons go, but I think a change in dragons kind of adds a new energy, and I think our new girl's fantastic.
And she's young, and this is what we talk about all the time. I know you don't like box ticking and tokenism, a bit like me at the BBC. I got sick of all that. And this one seems incredibly credible, and that's what you need, isn't it? People who actually do the job and do the business.
Absolutely. Credible, enthusiastic. You know, none of us are TV stars. We're not TV people. We're business people that we do stuff on TV. And that's why Dragons work. I think it's really important. It remains authentic. Business is at the heart of it. You know, and Sarah certainly is that. She's made her own business from the start. You know, it's a fantastic business. And she's very insightful. You know, I learn as much from my Dragons questioning as I do from my own questioning. So it's important that all 5 seats are working really well. And Sarah asked some fantastic questions.
Last year we spoke about the economy and how it was doing. I don't think I can remember a year when I've seen more big names leave the high street in the last decade. It seems like this sort of pending situation of waiting, not knowing is 31st of October going to happen, is doing no good for business or confidence in the high street. How do you feel as a businesswoman?
Well, I think there's lots of issues going on. I mean, don't forget at the very same time online shopping has really matured and people are changing their behaviour forever. So I think there's many factors feeding into the high street issue, and it, you know, isn't just about the word that we're avoiding at the moment. Nobody likes uncertainty. We'd all like that out of the way, but we are where we are, and the good news about entrepreneurs is that entrepreneurs tend to tackle the issues ahead of them rather than thinking, oh no, now what do we do?
And I guess you've just got to be fluid and go with the...
It's just one of the challenges that you have to deal with because it is a fact of life.
You're fabulous. We love you very much. I still find you delicious, and we can't wait to watch you on Dragon's Den 2019 and tonight at the Cats Award at the Savoy. Thank you so much for your time, Deborah.